Welcome to week 10. Week 10 deals with two chapters, chapters 12 and 13. These are the chapter on the lymphatic system and immune system, as well as chapter 13, the respiratory system. If you look at the outline for the chapter 12, you'll see that it only covers a little bit of the chapter. Most of the chapter deals with your immune system and how it works. I'm just asking you to look at the actual structures in the lymphatic system and what their functions would be. You're also asked to do IP essential videos, which are in the MyLab and Mastering study area. And I've noticed that they don't have an IP Essentials that is labeled lymphatic system. It's labeled immune system, and it covers the part of this chapter 12 that we will not be covering. So that won't be a requirement, but it is good to take a look at the video so you know how our immune system works. Then we're going to chapter 13. And chapter 13 is the respiratory system. You also have an interactive physiology video on the respiratory system. You have your practice tests for chapters 12 and 13. And don't forget that those are due on Friday instead of Sunday, because this week you will be having exam 3 and lab exam 3 that you'll be looking at. So the practice tests should be done before the lab and exam 3 open up. There isn't a lot of lab this week. Let's see. Just structures of the respiratory system for the lab. So you have a model of the lung and the respiratory system. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message to my inbox. And I hope you have a successful week. Goodbye.